Hi, moms and dads. Welcome back to the Honest Motherhood. I hope you all are doing good and also your babies, your kids are doing good. So, yes, today's video is really important because as you guys can see, my baby, he's being so cranky, he's not keeping up, he's not feeling well, and that's the very reason why he just don't know what to do. He's 2 years old and he's suffering with food poison, and that's the very reason why he doesn't know actually like what is going on with him, what is happening in his body. So it's very common because we are, as a grown up, we know that okay, we are sick since we ate something and we need to take medicine, we need to rest, we need to eat healthy food like curd rice, like drink coconut water so that we will recover. So we know because when we are adults, we are grown up, so we know. But our babies, our kids, they don't know that. It's something really new for them. So when baby is actually infant, that is when if they fall sick, they don't know, and they actually take medicine and they drink milk and they recover. But when it's with toddlers or kids, it's really challenging because for them this is something new. They are in a dilemma that, okay, yesterday I was able to play, I was able to run, my body was feeling energetic, but today all of a sudden something is going wrong, the body is not giving, like not coping up, it's giving up, it's not as strong enough, and they're not able to get up, they're not able to sit. So these things are something that, it traumatize your kids. So this is a situation where mom and dad, you have to be very close and very much present for your baby, for your kid, because this is a time where they need you the most. And especially if someone, I mean mom and dad, you guys are going for work and your child is really close with, I mean, we all know a kid, they are close with either of one of the parents. And in the situation, whosoever that will be, please ensure that you take a day off from your work and please be with your kid, because if you want your baby to heal quickly, if you want your baby to get well quickly, I mean that is what we all parents we wish for, because that is what we want. Moms and dads, we all know that if a child is sick, then that's it, it's gonna be a mess, and they are really getting traumatized, and with them and with the situation, even we will panic and we will also be traumatized. So it's very important that we take a day off from our work and we ensure that we are there with our babies, we are there with our kids, and we are close to them, hugging them, cuddling them, being there with them, and not like being on the phone or doing other things. It's okay to just keep up the things, the household chores or whatsoever, just let it be, and stay by your kids, stay by your baby. That is what is very important, because the situation for us itself as an adults, when we fall sick, we know how traumatizing it is and how difficult it is. For our babies, for our kids, it's way more than that. And it's very important that if you want your baby to heal quickly, we have to first of all, as a parents, as a mom and dad, we should not panic, and we have to ensure that the vibes, the housewives is happy, it's positive, because even that matters a lot. That will help your baby to heal quickly. And ensuring that baby is eating, as I've already posted a vlog upon how you should make your baby eat when they are sick, and how what you can do when they're sick. You go ahead and check that video, it will be very helpful for you guys. And it's also important that they eat, and also medicine babies will definitely throw tantrum, they will not be okay to drink medicine. I've tried doing a lot of things to just try and find some way or the trick, like where my baby will drink medicine by his own without crying, without fussing. But to be very honest, there is nothing as such, I was not able to crack anything, and I have to force feed my child. He was not okay, though the medicine is sweet, but still my baby was not okay with that. And I had to force feed him, because yes, at the end of the day, I have to ensure that my baby eats, I have to ensure that my baby is taking the medicine, I have to ensure that my baby is resting, I have to ensure that my baby is happy and is positive and he's cuddling, is hugging, so that he will recover soon. This is those simple steps that you have to follow when your baby is sick, and you will see that how quickly they'll recover. My baby fell sick, and let me be very honest, the night that he fell sick, the next day whole day he was sick and he was crying and he was being very cranky, but next day he was completely all right. So yes, I followed this. I stayed positive. I gave up the panicking mode. I gave up any kind of negativeness, and I stayed positive, and I was close with my baby 24 by 7.